Do you know what the 80-20 rule is? I'm out here in California for the Pasadena Tattoo Expo this weekend. But in this video, I wanted to share something that me and my partner Bea, if you guys are on our Instagram service, our Instagram Growth Accelerator service, you know Bea, right? And me and Bea, we were talking yesterday because Bea, he runs like 50 accounts. He also runs our shops, all of our artists. His direction is getting pulled in every direction. If you're a shop owner, you know what I'm talking about. Same with me. Direction, like my attention goes this way, my focus goes this way, my time goes this way, and the money goes all every way, right? The 80-20 rule states that 80% of your results comes from 20% of the work. And that's kind of weird, right? So what we had to do is we had to write down all of the things that we do. Once you write down what you're doing for every 15 minutes for the next 10 days, you're gonna find out that you got a lot more time than you thought you did. You're gonna realize where all your time goes. Look at everything. If you're feeling overwhelmed, first off, if you got a lot of free time, don't worry about this. But if you're feeling overwhelmed, maybe you're a shop owner, maybe your attention is going in all these different ways and you're feeling burnt out. Number one is you have to really know where you're at, honestly. And your mind can trick you, but the paper can't. So write down everything that you do and cut down the 80% that doesn't produce your results. Focus on the 20%, and that's my message for today. Right now starts my traveling experience. So I'm going from here to Miami, then I'm going to Thailand, then I'm going back to Miami. So stay tuned for that. Y'all have a great day.
Don't you leave. I don't wanna be alone anymore.
Miami Beach, baby. Where you at right now?